It looks like I have some activities and mentions notification that I can share with you. Looks like Kim has mentioned me in a message on the customer relations channel. She wants to know who our new hire is, which reminds me I need to add our new member to the branding group message. So I'm going to just go up here to members, invite new members with a quick search of Ashley's name. It'll pull her up and I can select her and invite her directly to the channel. From there, I'm going to go to all mentions, and since I had previously clicked on the mentions notification, I'm going to go ahead and select read, and that will show me the notification that I had previously opened. I'm going to go back here and enter a comment saying that her name is Ashley Orcutt, and it would be a wonderful idea to add her to the news channel.